Hello everyone. Let's talk about server memory. Specifically, the NEMIX RAM 1.5TB DDR5 kit. This isn't your average memory upgrade. We're talking serious power for demanding server and workstation environments. This kit boasts 1696GB DDR5 RDIMM modules, running at a speedy 5600 MHz. That translates to a massive boost in performance, especially for memory-intensive tasks like virtualization, data analysis, and content creation. The NEMIX RAM kit is designed for compatibility. It's specifically listed as compatible with Supermicro's B13C CPU, 25G motherboard, along with several Supermicro server configurations like the SBI 611E series. This compatibility is crucial, as ensuring your memory plays nicely with your motherboard is half the battle. The modules are ECC registered, which is essential for server environments. ECC, or Error Correcting Code, memory detects and corrects memory errors on the fly, preventing crashes and data corruption. This is a must-have for any system where data integrity is paramount. The modules operate at 1.1V, which is standard for DDR5, and have a CAS latency of 46. While a lower CAS latency is generally preferred, the sheer speed and capacity of this kit more than compensate. The 2RX4 configuration indicates dual-rank modules with X4 organization, which can offer improved performance compared to single-rank modules. NEMIX RAM positions itself as a provider of high-quality memory solutions, and they back their products with a lifetime replacement warranty. This warranty provides peace of mind, knowing that your investment is protected. They also emphasize their IT support staff, which can be valuable if you encounter any issues during installation or operation. Upgrading memory is often the most cost-effective way to improve system performance, and this NEMIX RAM kit is no exception. The installation process is generally straightforward, but always refer to your motherboard manual for specific instructions. With 1.5TB of DDR5 memory at 5600 MHz, this kit is a powerhouse that can significantly enhance the performance of compatible servers and workstations. If you're looking to maximize the capabilities of your system, the NEMIX RAM 1.5TB DDR5 kit is definitely worth considering.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.